Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to add friends on chase.com. For that, first of all, launch open chase.com application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Now at top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find this type of icon. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the friends interface. You'll be able to find various options for adding the friends. You'll be able to find the options like search contacts, Facebook friends, invite friends, send challenge link. If one of your contact is on chase.com and if you want to add them, you can simply tap on this option, search contacts. After that, you'll be able to add them. Likewise, you'll also be able to add the Facebook friends. Tap on this option, Facebook friends. You can also invite the friends if they are not already in chase.com. For that, tap on this option, invite friends. After that, you'll be able to invite them and you'll be able to add them later on. Likewise, you can also send the challenge link if you want. The best way to add the friend is simply search them by their username or name. For that, tap on the search bar that you can see right over here on your screen. Now what you have to do is enter their name or username over here. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the results over here. Simply tap on their profile. Now you'll be led to the profile interface of that particular user. Right over here, you'll be able to find the options like message, add friend. Simply tap on this option, add friend, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the request has been sent. Now that particular user will receive your request. Once they accept it, they will be added as your friend. So that is how you add friends on chase.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.